Hey Country Living, I'm Josh Duhamel, and how would you like to play a game of How Country Are You Living? All right, here we go. My favorite country expression is, go on now, get! Well, I have a place in Minnesota that I get pretty far off the grid. We're 40 miles from anything. I've been to the Arctic on a little polar bear expedition, and that was about as remote as you can get, I think. The biggest fish I've ever caught, I caught a giant mahi-mahi in the Gulf of Mexico. My favorite Texas small town or hill country getaway, the only one I can think of is this little town in Lubbock County called Ransom Canyon. I take my barbecue, man, I'm not picky. I love pulled pork, I love steak, I love grilled fish, but I make really, really good ribs. That's probably one of the only things I'm really good at making. My go-to karaoke is Neon Moon, Brooks and Dunn. I have one pet, her name is Chipmunk, and she is a French Bulldog. She's super sweet, hilarious. I miss her, I haven't seen her for about a month. My last wildlife encounter was, we could talk about Mississippi, the rattlesnakes. I was in South Africa, and we had like baboon wranglers, a lot of bald eagles and a lot of bear, and out of my cabin in Minnesota. The last time I was on a horse was in New Mexico, shooting Ransom Canyon. The last thing I planted, pine tree at my cabin. Make sure that it gets plenty of water and sun. And also you gotta make sure that you're not putting something that isn't gonna last in whatever environment you put it in. I've made that mistake and I put something that just doesn't survive winters. Like a palm tree in Minnesota doesn't work, trust me. Well, I still drive the same pickup that I drove new in 2003. It's a GMC Sierra Denali. I actually drove it here today. Lake all day. I'm all about that lake life. Shiplap or knotty pine? Knotty pine. My farmer's market go-to is berries. I haven't been to a lot of farmer's markets lately. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my Country Living digital cover out now.